In this video, we're going to go over the various space modes that controls have. Now if we go up to the head and take a look at the eye control, currently when we move this around, the eyes follow. And when we rotate the head, that eye target follows the head. Now there's a concept of having different space modes for the controls. So if we go up to the head now, and we change the eye follow channel and make it a 0, now when we rotate the head, the eye target gets left behind. And you can still control the eyes themselves with the target. So either are viable solutions. It's kind of just a choice of whether you want to animate the eyes so that they follow the head afterwards, or whether you want to let them follow 100% of what the head is doing, and then when you rotate the head, you'll have to counter animate the eyes to get the direction you want them in. Both of these methods of animating the eyes are fine, it's just a choice. I kind of tend to prefer leaving it so that the eyes do not follow and it sits out there in space. But again, that's just down to preference. So we also have this concept of space modes in the head. And currently, if we grab the chest and rotate it, the head does not pick up those rotations. So it's like it's locked in space. If we wanted to change that, we could go to the head control and change the neck influence to 1. And now when we rotate the body, the head is like it's locked in rotation to it. So again, it's another choice. I personally don't like this method because it's so kind of robotic feeling. It doesn't feel nearly as intuitive. And it means that you have to counter animate the head for anything you do. But then the downside of having it so that it does not follow the body is when you grab the body and then say twist in Y 90 degrees or 180 degrees, your head is just being left in space and you're going to have to kind of play a little bit of catch up to rotate the head around if he has to turn and walk in another direction. So you just need to get familiar with how these different modes work. So we also have this concept of space modes in the arms. This is the FK arm setup, so when we translate the body around, the arms go with it, but when we rotate them, the arms actually don't pick up the rotations the way it's currently set up. This is something you can also change, it's just a choice. So if we go to the kind of polygon on the back of the hand there, that 6-sided shape, and we change now the chest influence, put that to 1, when we rotate the body, his right arm now is going to be more locked to the body. And that's more of a kind of pure FK setup right now, where it's just completely locked, and no matter what you do with the body, the chest, everything, the arms are going to go with it. And then of course you'd have to counter animate that. So again, it's a fine solution. It's just whatever you feel comfortable animating in. Alright, that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys have fun animating.